Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to access the area where you can apply the coupon that you get from your sponsor. So it's really simple. You need to come over here. You're in the back office of Swapit. Scroll down to the section that says Buy Packages. So click on Buy Packages. And this opens up these different types of packages. So it starts from the starter package, $50, all the way up to the legend package for 10,000. Now the key difference between these packages, just to keep it really, really simple, is each package comes with a certain amount of cards that you can play. So the more number of or the higher the package you go up, the more number of cards that you will be getting to play. So over here in this case, let's say you got a coupon code from your sponsor for the starter package. You'll click on Add to Basket, and then you would click on View Basket. So over here, you see this. Now the two options here. One, if you do not have a coupon code, you can just click on Proceed to Checkout. But if you do have a coupon code, you'd come and you'd paste it. So let's say, don't get excited. This is just an example. So you'll have a coupon code from your sponsor. You just paste it in here. You'd click on Apply Coupon. So this is, of course, an error. It will spit up an error, but yours will basically, what will happen is that this will then go to 0, and you'll be able to proceed to the checkout and complete the checkout that way. Okay, so we'll be having more quick video tutorials on how to work your way through the Swapit back office. But till then, I will see you in the next video.